I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money at PNC Bank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Locate your nearest branch. Find a nearby PNC Bank branch using their website or mobile app. Step 2. Gather your funds. Prepare the cash or checks you want to deposit. Make sure checks are properly endorsed on the back. Step 3. Visit the ATM or teller. Go to the ATM or approach a bank teller at the branch. If using an ATM, look for the deposit option on the screen. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. If using an ATM, insert your debit card and select deposit. Choose a type of deposit, cash or check, and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm your deposit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Depositing money at PNC Bank is a breeze once you know the steps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a bank representative for help. Happy banking!